Good morning, guys. Headed off to church right now. It's about 8:50 in the morning over here. Yeah, man, I'm just wiped. I don't know why. I'm just so tired. Been up all night editing those videos for you guys. That was kind of weird. Anyways, we're going over to Spencer's house today for the 4th of July. They're gonna have some lumpia. Lumpia is so good. I absolutely love lumpia. And so that should be amazing. There's gonna be other food too. I think there's gonna be quite a few people there too, so it should be fun. So after leading worship, church got out, I'm realizing, because I'm editing videos for you guys, I'm really tired. And I now know what Charles Strippy goes through when he edits videos, because I am wiped. And maybe I should start, I don't even know. But all I know is that I'm really tired, and I'm going to go home and sleep. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. Playing some pig. Spencer's house. Spencer, you're failing.
Okay, go ahead. How tall? Never have I been tall.
Oh, that's funny. That's funny stuff.
The what?
Spencer's house, shooting off some fireworks. Hi.
What? No, it's okay. Pick up the one that fell on the ground.
I just hope it doesn't light on my jacket.
No, the one's down on the ground. Thank you.
There are fireworks literally everywhere.
He's like, I need to be in the smoke. It won't shield me.
Recording this, you know.
The smoke.
Spencer.
I'm good.
Oh, you're alright. They got the good mortars over there. That is funny.
Joshua, what are you doing? Look at
Whoa! Now I want to get away from the fireworks. Yeah.
That was pretty funny.
Don't look so tough now.
Get really exciting real quick.
No telling the truth, this is beautiful.
Don't burn your man parts.
Oh!
Ouch!
You made him move the camera.
You're trying to show that, like, everyone is...
Whoa!
I'm just saying, think it through.
I got pants on.
Not that much. Like, 10 minutes worth.
How much did you really film?
Like 10 minutes worth.
Oh, 10 minutes total?
Yeah.
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 Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.